Welcome back, crafters! Today, we're diving into a must-have for all crochet enthusiasts out there. The BCMRUN 14 pcs Multicolor Aluminum Crochet Hooks. If you're a beginner looking to start your crochet journey or a seasoned pro searching for a reliable set, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore why these hooks are hailed as the best for beginners. First off, let's talk about the variety. With 14 different sizes ranging from 2mm to 10mm, this set covers all your crochet needs. Whether you're working on intricate lace patterns or chunky blankets, these hooks have got you covered. Each hook is crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability and longevity. Plus, the smooth shafts and comfortable grips make for a seamless crocheting experience. No more hand fatigue or snagging on yarn, just smooth, effortless stitching. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics. These hooks come in a vibrant array of colors, making them not only practical but also visually appealing. And with the color-coded sizing system, identifying the right hook for your project is a breeze. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the value, performance, and ease of use of these hooks. From the comfortable grip to the smooth stitching, crafters everywhere are loving their BCMRUN crochet experience. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. This set comes neatly organized in a compact storage case, perfect for on-the-go crocheting. Plus, with a price that won't break the bank, it's an absolute steal. In conclusion, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the BCMRUN 14 pcs Multicolor Aluminum Crochet Hooks are a must-have addition to your crafting toolkit. With their versatility, durability, and affordability, it's no wonder they're hailed as the best crochet needles for beginners. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crafting content. Until next time, happy crocheting!